Hello YouTube friend, welcome back to the Newcar TV channel. Don't forget to like, comments, subscribe and share.
Overview. With a turbocharged V6 under the hood, the SQ5 and SQ5 Sportback add power to the regular Q5 SUV's high-tech luxury equation to good effect. These performance-oriented models aren't as racy as rivals such as the BMW X3M, the Porsche Macan Turbo, or the Mercedes-AMG GLC class, but for those buyers seeking a sporty look and more power without compromising ride quality, the SQ5 delivers a very satisfying balance of comfort and speediness. Inside, the SQ5 and SQ5 Sportback offer a tech-rich experience with multiple digital displays and a host of driver assistance features. Passenger space is generous, but maximizing practicality requires foregoing the more stylish Sportback for the squarer SQ5. Engine, transmission, and performance. The SQ5 keeps things simple with one powertrain. Audi's throaty turbocharged V6 makes good power, and standard quattro all-wheel drive puts that power to the road. This dynamic duo is let down occasionally by its 8-speed automatic transmission, which can be slow to change gears and sometimes serves up syrupy shifts. The SQ5's 5.1-second 0 to 60 mph run is objectively quick, but it's not quite as speedy as the 4.3-second effort of the GLC 43. With its accurate, firm steering, there's plenty of fun to be had tossing the SQ5 through the twisties, especially if equipped, as our test vehicle was, with the optional torque vectoring rear differential. Even entry-level SQ5s have a rear-biased all-wheel drive system that can direct up to 85% of the available torque to the rear wheels. The SQ5's ride is comfortable, a compliment in this class, but a little too soft for true performance driving. We suspect that most buyers in this segment would be perfectly happy with the SQ5's straight-line speed and its pothole-vanquishing ride, but uncompromising shoppers should stick with the 10 best winning Porsche Macan. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The SQ5's EPA fuel economy ratings aren't particularly impressive, but most competitors have similar numbers. Also, the SQ5 outperformed said numbers in our real-world highway fuel economy test. Our prestige test vehicle delivered an impressive 28 miles per gallon highway over the course of 200 miles at a steady 75 miles per hour, outpacing even the Cadillac XT5, which offers nowhere near the same amount of performance as the Audi.